Good morning. It's our last day. We're getting the boat back to Santa Cruz today in half an hour.
And he said he's going to go for like 150.
I don't know how long it's going to take. And then we're going to, what's it called?
Where are they going to put it?
They live on a farm.
Tortuga Bay, which is meant to be one of the best beaches in the world. And then we're in a hostel tonight in dorm rooms, and then we fly back to mainland Ecuador tomorrow. There's dolphins! Wow!
Are they common like around here? No, it's just here.
They're like the dogs of the sea. They are like 100%.
Bye!
That's a sequel.
We are off to see the wizard. No, we're off to the hostel. We're back in Santa Cruz. And then I think we're gonna go for some lunch. Well, we are now in the hostel in Santa Cruz. It's not half bad, to be fair. This is the room, and Ariana is in there, and then we have a bathroom, but it's super cute. My towel is literally one of the most disgusting things you can ever imagine. It stinks. But we've got hammocks that we can join up to the hooks. But yeah, it's super nice. We're going for lunch in town, and then we're going to Tortuga Bay, the beach. All of my clothes are just like absolute filth though. Just a bunch of iguanas having sex on the beach. How's it going, mate? There's heaps. There's loads of them. Jesus. They're huge. We have arrived at Tortuga Bay, and it's so much calmer than the other corner that was crazy. There's kayaks. If there's water being sold here, I'll die, honestly. Me too. How is the water? Is it freezing? Oh, it's pretty cold. The sand is beautiful. Got burnt legs again, but it looks amazing. I'm getting straight in. I'm going for a straight dip. It's unreal. Oh, wow.
Wait the water it goes out.
Oh yeah?
Yes. Push it. Can look. It's right and it will go.
Here he comes. Wow.
Never seen it.
Me neither. Back at the hostel now. Tortuga Bay was pretty cool. We did see a black tip reef shark right in the shore, like it was a baby one. It's tiny, which was quite cool. And we saw an iguana climbing up a sandcastle, and also climbed on one of the other girls, Christian. God, my hair is like sticking out all over the place here. But yeah, we got back. A couple people did some washing, and now we're just getting ready to go out for dinner. Everyone else is like putting on their fancy clothes, and I'm like, I will put on my dungaree. Hannah's even got a going out top on. I said Hannah's even got a going out top on. Look.
Amy's got her dungarees on, and that means that she's in for a good time.
But I'm not gonna lie, my face is in quite a lot of pain. Where we were on the boat from Isabella earlier. No, it's full on sunburn from the clouds and briefly when the sun came up. But I don't know whether the camera will even be able to show up that well. But honestly, around here is painful, and it's like the entirety of my face has changed texture. Like it's no longer soft skin, it's like lumpy. So it's solidly burnt, which isn't fun. And it's red raw, like it's so hot right now. I have a horrible spot here, and this one is so painful. Other than that, it's been a great day. I am quite excited to be going back to Quito, because then it means we're going to be in Colombia soon, which is exciting. But just to be out of the sand, it's not done wonders for our hair, because we've had to wash it literally every day while we've been in and out of the water. I just French plaited it for tonight, because I just couldn't even be bothered to deal with it. But yeah, so I'll take you to dinner. This will be the last of the Galapagos, our last night. Ooh. Octopus. Not what I want. Oh god, look at these fish. Ooh, chicken at a fish restaurant. It's gonna be so good. Wow. Wow. Wow.